Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Edge 19 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone from here. If you want to restart phone, click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to again app library and click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix text notification sound not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.